ಪ್ಯಾಪ್ಸ್ಮಿಯರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಗರ್ಭಕಂಠ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಗರ್ಭಕೋಶ is uterus. Lower part of the uterus is called cervix. So that from there we are going to take the discharge and smear it on a slide and see through microscope just to see whether any abnormal cells are there. So probably this is the only cancer which we can detect 15 to 20 years earlier than you go into a proper cancer stage. So one of the best screening tools anta helidre pap smear anta heltivi, wherein we see through the microscope and tell the patient in case of any infections we treat it and redo the pap smear. So this will help us to know cervical cancers. There are HPV infections ಏನಾದರೂ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ರೀಡು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. We take a pap smear again and then see whether it is going to be abnormal cells or the cells which were infected have become normal, because it takes over a period of time for the abnormal cells to become proper cancerous cells. Pap smear time ಅಲ್ಲಿ in case ನೀವು ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಯೂಶಲಿ ನಾವು ಟೈಮ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಒನ್ಸ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ಸ್ ನಿಮ್ದು ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ 2 ರಿಂದ 3 ದಿನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬನ್ನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ವೈ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆ ಸ್ಮಿಯರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಸೆಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ RBCs ಕಂಡು ಬಂದಲ್ಲಿ we might think it as an abnormal result. So in that sense we tell them please come after 2 to 3 days of your complete stoppage of your menstrual flow. In case if you ever land up in that period also, we try to clear it off with a swab and then take a pap smear. If ever there is an abnormal thing, we can redo it later. A lady who is about 21 years of age, sexually active, or above 30 years, we are supposed to have a pap smear. So in that case, consecutively 3 years ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ imagine 2025, 2026, 2027, you are doing your pap smear, all 3 comes negative, you don't have to do it till 65 years of your age. So post 65, we don't ask them to do a pap smear. Even if you are hysterectomized, andre uterus remove ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ, in case if it was done for a precancerous changes or ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರಿಗಾದ್ರೂ high risk cancerous stages ಇದ್ದು ತಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ, we ask them to do a pap smear still. So 65 to 70 years tanka, it is always better you get it done regularly. That is the only test. Other things are, we can that pap smear en togotivi, a smear en togotivi, adanna HPV testing anta heltivi. That is a little costlier, but it is more accurate than a plain pap smear. So that is the optimum thing that you are supposed to get it done. It is better you always go for HPV DNA testing, which will accurately tell us if there is an infection or an abnormal change.